Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to easily watch US Netflix on your iPhone. First things first, we need to download a VPN. Head over to the App Store and search for a VPN of your choice. For this example, we'll be using IPVanish VPN. Once you search, it should be the top result, looking like this. Go ahead and click Get. Mine shows a cloud because I've downloaded it before. Once IPVanish is downloaded, tap Open. You'll be taken to this screen, so click Login at the bottom. Now, enter your login details for your IPVanish account. Don't have one yet? No problem. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to snag an exclusive discount on IPVanish. Alright, once you're logged in, you'll see this privacy screen. Choose an option, and you might see a tutorial prompt. Feel free to skip it if you want, like I'm doing here. Now, click Finish to set up your device. You'll be asked to create a VPN configuration, so tap Allow, and enter your iPhone passcode. You'll be taken back to the VPN app, ready to roll. Since we want US Netflix, tap Locations at the bottom. Then, select the United States. Once you've found it, tap on it and then hit Connect. After a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected to the US VPN server. Now that we're connected, exit the VPN app and open Netflix. Tap Sign in the top right corner and log into your Netflix account. After selecting your profile, you'll be browsing the US version of Netflix. See, it says Top 10 TV Programs in the US today. Just pick a show and start watching, just like normal. And that's it. Super simple, right? Don't forget to click the link in the description or pinned comment to get that exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.